Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Uber ride trip history and receipt. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, we're going to open up the Uber app. Now go to the activity sections right here at the bottom right. And then at the bottom or under past activities, you will see a list of your previous trips. Just tap on any specific ride to view or open its details. And if you want to get a receipt, just scroll all the way down. You'll find a download PDF option. Well, just go ahead and tap on download. Now you could also do that under the website. You could just go ahead and log into your account, click on activity right here. Now all of your activity list or past activity will be listed in here. And again, just tap on view receipt and then click download PDF to save it directly on your computer. And that is how you see your Uber ride trip history and receipts. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.